how to take scrolling screenshot on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let me tell you first that scrolling screenshot is only possible in web browsers. So if you're in your web browser and want to take a screenshot, then use the volume up and the power button and take a screenshot, and then tap on the screenshot tab and you can see screen and full page. Go ahead and tap on full page, and then you can see a long list on the very right, so you can see that you can choose which screen that you want to keep. However, if you want to keep a long screenshot, then you'll need to go to the crop option on the top, and then you can choose the part that you want to keep in the screenshot and then hit done on the top left. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.